Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store cannot connect. If you're using any App Store on your iPhone or any iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to search anything on App Store, you see an error that cannot connect to App Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So very first, we just have to go back, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Once you have done, you just have to simply go back, go to settings, go to general, here go to your VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you're connected to any VPN, you just have to try to disconnect with your VPN. After disconnecting, just go back and go to date and time settings, and you just have to make sure that your date and time is enabled to set automatically. And once you have done, just go back and retry to open your app store, and here you can have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So just try to open any app section here, or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, just drive it through Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry or you have to reopen your app store to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But in some case, if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to open your settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then you have to select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if there will be any network issue in your iPhone. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you have a simple way. You have to go to your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use your Apple Store app. Here you have to just select your iPhone, then select this more option, select App Store, and here you just have to select this get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find the phone number. Whenever you want to dial, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.